I love this song. I love the connection I got to make to people about affairs and with women, and there's a heart, there's a thing that happens. I found when you open up that heart to a lot of misunderstanding, and not to defend infidelity in any way, but I don't know, this song just was a portal to a lot of women's hearts that really fascinated me and kind of broke my heart, and I'm really grateful for that. It's called Desert Rain. Staring out the window of this empty house, miles of dry ground, I swear it's been nothing but months of the burning sun. No signs of life now, this wedding used to fit like a glove back when love was a wild wind. This hotel key is taking me to the storm that I need. Desert rain, every drop on my skin melting, waking up my senses. There ain't no damn shame. Lightning strikes in a reckless sky, even if it's wrong. Oh baby, bring it on. You're the midnight rush, I've been missing my body, begging to be baptized in it. So fill me up with your touch, with your breath, before it all washes away with the desert rain. Every time the thunder rolls, brings me to my knees, like a sinner's prayer. Hits me like the Holy Ghost taking over my soul. Come and drown me in your desert rain. Every drop on my skin melting, waking up my senses. There ain't no damn shame. Lightning strikes in a reckless sky, even if it's wrong. Oh baby, bring it on. You're the midnight rush, I've been missing my body, begging to be baptized in it. So fill me up with your touch, with your breath, before it all washes away with the desert rain. Oh, oh, oh. With your desert rain, yeah. This wedding rain used to feel like a glove back when love was a wild wind. But this hotel key just might be taking me to the only heaven I'll ever see. The desert rain.